Today, I'm going to show you amazing ingenious tools that will make you feel wow. So, guys, are you ready? Let's go. Number 9 is the Smart Level Ladder. This smart ladder is convenient for any kind of surface. The ladder has a supportive and flexible leg at the bottom that lets you set the ladder as per your requirement. The design includes another smaller ladder that can be easily pulled over. The teeth of the smaller ladder at the bottom are sufficiently strong to hold more than 85 kilograms. The flexible and lengthy structure of ladder ensures security up to 20 feet. The design is so light-weighted that you can carry it comfortably anywhere. Here, the work is done. Number 8 is a Bumblebee. This smart strap winder lets you roll up 8 to 10 stapes within seconds. The innovative angled design has a small hook. Hang the angle at the appropriate height. Insert the strap from the holder and wind to the roller bar. By slightly pressing the attached driller, you can roll up the extensive strap neatly. This small innovative tool ends up a job within seconds and gives you the extra advantage of time saving. Number 7 is Wen Pneumatic Multifunction Tool. Wen penetrates soil so effortlessly that gardening becomes child's play. Whatever kind of construction worker you are, Wen has a large variety of tools for you. Wen removes tile just like a knife moving over butter. Even a brick wall can't be an obstacle for you. With the help of a sharp blade, detaching floor cover is easy like never before, and Wen does the rest. Number 6. Tile Ease Super Grouter. First, an applier spreads grouts on the tiles. Continuously moving hands cover entire surface gracefully. Adjustable handbars and lightweight body that a single person can control simply. The rigid steel body gives long life service. This applier can spread grout up to 1,000 square feet per hour. Then comes Grout Roller. A small but strong rolling machine cleans the entire floor with ease. 8-inch sponge belt runs up the floor and washes miraculously like an experienced technician. The high quality of sponge serves up to 10,000 square feet. This cleaning machine is suitable for abrasive tile, glazed, unglazed ceramic, quarry tile, rough, and polished natural stones. Number 5 is SPEEDECK Pro 3.5-inch. If decking consumes your too much time, this tool can be the best assistant to you. SPEEDECK has 6 rakes that hold 5 timbers at a time. The strong handle at middle gives you powerful grip over SPEEDECK, so you can drill and screw the 5 timbers in less time. Accurately joined rakes maintain the distance between timber profiles, so you no need to align them every time. Number 4 is Brake Maintenance Tools. Take the cart to the brake wheel and align the bolts of the wheel to the holes, and it's done. Just pull back the cart and carry to repairing section. It has a capacity of 1,100 pounds of lifting power. Brake caliper jack of Irrigation is another tool which is designed efficiently to reduce the chances of injury and hub seal damage. Whether you work on light vehicle or heavy, Irrigation provide both small and tall version. Number 3 is Wuko Clipper. It is the cleanest and quickest way of cutting a metal sheet. With the help of wireless drive, This small tech innovation cuts metal sheet without burr, curls, or vibration. The pack of Wuko Clipper also includes a set of 2 scale bars for accurate cutting. No matter if you want to use this over PVC profile, the Clipper knows work well. Number 2 is Woodpecker's Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge. Do you find it trouble while cutting an improper square shelf? This tool will help you. Place this scale in the corner or box you want to cut shelf. Extend any of the one's end, then tighten the bolt given there. Also, make sure that you have tightened the corner bolt. Now you have a perfect size in a frame shape. Place it over a ply board, drop down the teeth to hold strongly, and mark the necessary cuts. As you have done 75% of the job, cutting is an easy task here. Place the shelf in the corner or the box. Number 1 is Drip Irrigation Tools. The Prakor manufacturer has brought a number of various tools to make irrigation quick and effortless. 1. Panther. Attach a nozzle to the upper jaw and press slightly to the side of the water pipe. 2. Alligator. This will help you to insert the nozzle. 3. Mammoth. Attach the nozzle at the bottom and push with a little effort. 4. Scorpion. An effortless hand drill. Just place on a pipe and slowly go over a round of twists. 5. Bear. To hold the pipe, move the handles towards your side and push with a little effort. 6. Eagle. Attach the pipes and press. 7. Gorilla. The equipment fixes 2 large pipes. Lock the ends of the pipes in jaws. Place a cup between the ends and keep pressing slowly. Now the one end becomes wider and another is narrower to remove the cup and join both ends. Just like this video, subscribe to Top 5's HD channel and click the link given in the below description. We'll get back to you soon with a new video. Have a great day.